As always, a great atmosphere here at Nationwide Arena. Anthony Cirelli shot, caught, left there and covered by Bobrovsky. Over the line this way, Oliver Bjorkstrand back for Jones. He'll advance, far side, Texier shot stopped, and Vasilevsky has the rebound. Get it out to center, works, even terms on the ice. To the middle, Anderson right in, oh, Vasilevsky! A dandy on Josh Anderson. Ryan Dzingel attempting to seal the wall for Columbus. Atkinson with a shot blocked, but Girardi the rebound. Possibly went off Vasilevsky. Josh Anderson holding on to it. Ryan Callahan had the block. Clendening from the point, a screen shot tipped on. Vasilevsky says no. And yet another scrum. Josh Anderson, Dan Girardi. And the whole crew once again. Now point. Hands it off to Palat, right through the slot, shut down! Quality save by Sergei Bobrovsky. It's Seth Jones. He looks for a shooting lane. Now Zach Werenski. His shot goes out, Vasilevsky. They score! Matt Duchene scored his first Stanley Cup playoff goal in game number 2. He went on and had a 4-point night. And he has brought the house down with the game's first here in game 3. Ryan McDonough moved along. Chernak hit hard. Boone Jenner all over him. McDonough with his head up, a shot taken, stop, and Bobrovsky seals it.
Moments before that, a big hit by Boone Jenner.
Through center, Yanni Gourde, Matthew Joseph, seen all the way. And again, Sergei Bobrovsky will slow it down as the sticks get high. Pierre-Luc Dubois, Texier throws on the brakes. Alexander Texier back for Jones, to the outside, Bjorkstrand, score!
They're able to set up shop, a good play by Texier to get it to the point, and then a wonderful shot by Bjorkstrand.
Now Jones, Werenski, he'll dangle his shot, fumbled but hung on to by Vasilevsky. Panarin with Jenner. He'll pull up through the slot, a chance, Vasilevsky says no on Oliver Bjorkstrand. To the point, Girardi, no lane, he'll take it to the outside. Shot taken by Palat, handled by Sergei Bobrovsky. Tempers will flare, but no further play. Alex Killorn cutting through the slot. A shot off the goalpost. Joseph out of the corner. Killorn again. His shot stopped by Sergei Bobrovsky. Back it goes. Chernak. A spinner. Caught. Fumbled. Second chance stopped by Sergei Bobrovsky. We'll wind it up. Cross ice. Centering pass. Bobrovsky says no. What a dandy. And Andre Palat. Tyler Johnson moves in. Go across with it. Chernak in front. Oh, they score! On the rebound. Andre Palat. After a spectacular save was made by Sergei Bobrovsky, Tampa Bay finally finds the net. Harrington not out. Girardi in front. Here's Ernie. First wide by Bobrovsky. Callahan out. Bobrovsky. He's got it. Against Calgary. Now Dzingel right in with a chance. Forward and Vasilevsky took care of the rest. Little pitch. Anderson will bust in. He goes wide. Vasilevsky this time says no. Panarin. Empty net. Atkinson. Bullseye. So the Columbus Blue Jackets do have a stranglehold on this best-of-7 series. Up 3 games with a 3-1 win over the Tampa Bay Lightning.